Subaru just revealed 6 major changes coming to the 2026 Outback that are going to completely transform what this SUV can do. If you've been frustrated by the current model's outdated tech, cramped cargo space, or lack of fuel-efficient options, this redesign directly addresses every single one of those problems. While most automakers make small tweaks and call it a redesign, Subaru is overhauling everything from the powertrain to the interior practicality, turning the Outback into a vehicle that rivals SUVs costing thousands more. Let's break them down. Number 6. Luxurious cabin. The current Outback has always been practical and durable, but let's be honest, luxury has never been its strong suit. That's changing completely with the 2026 model. Subaru is elevating the Outback's interior to a level that will genuinely rival premium brands, and the transformation is going to be immediately obvious the moment you open the door. The dashboard is getting a complete overhaul with materials that feel expensive to the touch. We're talking soft touch surfaces replacing the hard plastics that dominated previous generations, genuine leather seating options becoming standard across more trims, and textured accents that add visual depth. The center console is being redesigned with higher quality finishes, while the door panels will feature upgraded materials that match the premium feel. You know that feeling when you sit in a friend's luxury car and wonder why your vehicle doesn't have those same thoughtful touches? That's the gap Subaru is closing with ambient lighting that offers multiple color options, creating an atmosphere that transforms the cabin from purely functional to genuinely inviting. The seats are being redesigned with improved bolstering and support, while upper trims will offer ventilated front seats, a feature current owners have been requesting for years. What makes this transformation particularly impressive is that Subaru isn't sacrificing durability for luxury. The materials are still designed to withstand the wear and tear of an active lifestyle, but now they look and feel like they belong in a vehicle that costs $10,000 more. But an upscale interior means nothing if the exterior still looks like a soccer mom's wagon, which is exactly why the next change is so radical. Number 5. SUV styling. For decades, the Outback has walked a fine line between wagon and SUV, and that identity crisis is ending with the 2026 redesign. Subaru is making a bold decision to fully commit to SUV styling, abandoning the wagon silhouette that has defined the Outback since its beginning. The most dramatic change is happening behind the C-pillar. The new Outback is adopting a more vertical rear end with sharper angles and a boxier profile that screams SUV rather than wagon. The roofline is being raised slightly, creating additional headroom while giving the vehicle a more commanding presence. The rear quarter panels are getting a more muscular treatment, with pronounced haunches that add visual width and aggression. Up front, the redesign is equally bold. Subaru is implementing a larger, more prominent grille with a mesh pattern that differs significantly from the current generation. The headlights are being redesigned with a more angular shape, incorporating LED technology as standard. The front bumper is getting larger air intakes and protective cladding that emphasizes off-road capability. The side profile is where the transformation becomes most apparent. Instead of the swooping wagon lines that taper toward the rear, the new Outback maintains a more consistent height from front to back, creating that classic SUV boxiness. The wheel arches are being enlarged and squared off, accommodating larger wheels while visually emphasizing the vehicle's width. This isn't just a cosmetic change. It's Subaru acknowledging what Outback buyers have been doing with their vehicles for years and designing the exterior to match that adventurous spirit from the factory. But bold styling isn't worth much if the powertrain underneath can't back it up. And that's where the 4th change becomes absolutely critical. Number 4. Hybrid powertrain. Electrification is no longer optional in the automotive world, and Subaru is finally bringing hybrid technology to the Outback in a meaningful way. The 2026 model is introducing the same proven hybrid system currently available in the Crosstrek, with one critical advantage. The all-wheel drive system remains completely intact. This hybrid setup is based on Subaru's 2.5-liter Boxer engine working with electric motors to deliver around 200 horsepower combined. But the real story isn't the horsepower, it's the torque delivery and efficiency gains that are going to transform the driving experience. The electric motors provide instant torque at low speeds, which means throttle response is going to feel dramatically improved compared to current models. Fuel economy is about to improve dramatically. Current Outback models struggle to break 30 miles per gallon on the highway, but this hybrid system will push combined fuel economy well into the high 30s or even low 40s. For families putting serious miles on their Outback, that efficiency gain translates to thousands of dollars in fuel savings over the life of the vehicle. But even the most efficient powertrain doesn't help if your passengers are cramped and uncomfortable, which is why Subaru made space a top priority. Number 3. More spacious cabin. Space has always been one of the Outback's strong points, but Subaru is pushing the boundaries even further with the 2026 redesign. The new platform is allowing for dimensional increases that translate directly into more room for passengers and cargo. The wheelbase is growing by approximately 2 inches, and that extension is creating noticeably more legroom for rear seat passengers. Current owners with teenage kids or tall adults riding in back have complained about tight legroom on long trips. That problem is being solved definitively. The rear seat is also moving slightly higher, improving the seating position and making it easier for older passengers to get in and out. Headroom is increasing across both rows thanks to the raised roofline. Even with a panoramic sunroof, passengers over 6 feet tall are going to have comfortable clearance. The wider body is also creating more shoulder room, making 3 across seating in the back less cramped during family road trips. But having all that extra space means nothing if the technology inside feels outdated, which brings us to the tech upgrade Subaru absolutely had to make. Number 2. New infotainment system. The current Outback's infotainment has been a consistent complaint: slow response times, dated graphics, and a menu structure that requires too many steps. The 2026 model is addressing every single frustration with an all-new Android-based system that's going to feel like a generational leap forward. The new system is running on significantly more powerful processing hardware, which means screen transitions are going to be instant, and touch inputs will register immediately. The graphics are being completely redesigned with modern, high-resolution visuals, but the real improvement is in the user interface. Everything is being reorganized to minimize the number of taps required. The Android-based platform brings native integration with Google services, including Google Maps with real-time traffic updates and Google Assistant for voice commands that actually work. Wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto are becoming standard, while the system supports over-the-air updates for continuous improvements. Screen size is increasing to a standard 12.3 inches, with an available vertical-oriented display on higher trims that's particularly useful for navigation. But technology and space are only valuable if the vehicle is designed to make your daily life easier, and that's where the number 1 change truly separates the 2026 Outback. Number 1. Next level practicality. The Outback has always been about real-world usefulness, and Subaru is taking that practicality to an entirely new level with clever solutions that make daily life easier. These aren't flashy features that impress in a dealership. They're thoughtful touches you'll appreciate every single time you use the vehicle. The cargo area is getting a modular floor system with movable dividers and tie-down points for custom configurations. Need to separate muddy hiking gear from clean groceries? The dividers make that simple. This flexibility is being designed specifically for the varied activities Outback owners actually do, rather than generic cargo management systems that don't solve real problems. Ever reach into your center console looking for sunglasses only to find them buried under charging cables and random items? That chaos is being eliminated with a significantly larger center console featuring multiple compartments for organizing small items. Door pockets are being designed to actually hold water bottles securely, with contoured shapes that prevent items from rattling around. Power outlets are being distributed throughout the cabin with modern needs in mind. USB-C ports are going in the front, rear, and cargo area, along with multiple 12-volt outlets, and at least one 120-volt household outlet. The cargo area is getting dedicated lighting with multiple zones, so loading or searching for items at night doesn't require a flashlight. The tailgate is being redesigned with a lower liftover height and wider opening, making it easier to load bulky items without scraping them. Upper trims are getting a hands-free power tailgate with adjustable height settings, while the rear bumper is getting integrated step pads for easier roof access. The 2026 Subaru Outback represents the kind of redesign that actually solves real problems rather than chasing trends. From the upscale cabin materials to the bold SUV styling to the hybrid powertrain that delivers both efficiency and capability, every change addresses a specific weakness of the current model. Add in the increased space, modern Android-based infotainment, and thoughtful practicality features, and it becomes clear why this redesign redefines what buyers should expect from an adventure-ready SUV at this price point. Let's be perfectly straight, not everyone is happy with the Outback's new look. If you're one of them, make sure to check out our video about the 2026 Subaru Forester. This compact SUV offers a way more conventional styling that represents an evolution of design philosophy that lasts for decades.